Hello friends, how are you? Hello guys, how are you? I am fine. I can presentation this day of make money. I can step to step the everydays is a real work and social media, etc. And search engine optimization, blogging, design, CPA marketing, and affiliate marketing, etc., etc. You have then step by step my presentation, my videos. So thank you very much, my viewers. Thank you very much, my audience. Thank you very much, my friends and families. Thank you very much, my all students. Thank you very much. I can present the how to earn from Facebook in 2022, make money on Fiverr. How do you gain to make money on Facebook page on Facebook in 2022, or make money and Fiverr marketplace. You have this the two system but two or the make money gain on Facebook. The Facebook, how to create a Facebook page and make money. Facebook page, the first time is the make money monetization option. You have this lot of videos. Video length is 3 minutes or more than 5-10 minutes. 3 minutes, 3 minutes to or 10 more than 10 more minutes. Okay, this is the monetization system. Our second system, the marketplace, the Fiverr and Upwork. As a present this is the how to make money on Facebook 2022, make money on Fiverr, two system. I have this step by step. At first you have this the Facebook, a lot of Facebook, the needed of USA client, lot of clients is Facebook. You are the any Facebook page creation and setup, etc., etc. Lot of work is marketplace and very easy and simple. The 1 to 5 to 10 minutes is a completed Facebook page. Just your first time is the Facebook account, your Facebook account. Then the menu bar, this is the create and page on a create new page. Okay, create new page. This 1 or 2 minute, this is the name of page, the category, description, and banner, logo, etc., etc. But you're the first time, very important part, the any Facebook page creation and setup. The first time needed your the logo, the very important and logo and the page cover, but page setup, etc. Page cover. I can see the presentation, the Canva is a very online software, very easy online software. You have this make is a fashion. I can just create in fashion, fashionable page, then etc. your buyer by etc., etc. And the fashionable page, first time you the create a logo, the Canva home page, Canva home, lot of Canva home is a lot of Canva home, lot of your the create is a Facebook logo, Facebook logo, FSC face Facebook logo. Okay, logo, Facebook logos. Search this Facebook shop logo. The I am the Canva created the lot of I can free Canva is a simple logo, but paid Canva lot of free template, logo template, etc., etc. Canva yearly only for $10. There are a lot of design, logo, YouTube, social media design, etc., etc. But a lot of logo, you have this free template, your logo, just as your fashion logo, any logo chooses your logo. I can search the fashion logo, Facebook shop logo, Facebook uh, fashion logo. Okay, lot of design, the template my see. This is the one of logo I see. This there, change your color, change your this color, change this color, etc., etc. Your system needed the any color, black color, white color, and blue color, etc. You uses the any color, uses any color. Okay, this is the logo. The Facebook design is a very important part of the logo. Logo, not only your Facebook, the lot of social media, lot of etc. Your website, etc. Very important part is the logo. Logo is a very important. The creating Facebook page, page logo. The first time you have this Canva and www.canva.com, you have to see the lot of free template logo. You choose any logo. Just I'm classes then I example. The second, you have the Facebook cover. Same things, same things create a Facebook cover. Just Facebook cover. Okay, Facebook cover, lot of cover. See my Canva freely template presentation, my skin. Same lot of pick and where you have this is the Canva, lot of fashion and etc. You have this needed your any design, your editing design, the right design, right, you have this just time of the Canva is very you just use it. The same things I can present, I can create here one logo, is change your the name, etc. Name, name MKC, etc. You change name is, that means the Facebook logo, you change your photos, your name, etc. All those are changes. The same things complete your Facebook logo and design. How to create? Very simple way. I am again this. I am again this system. The www.login your Facebook account. Right side is the menu. Right side is the menu. Click this menu. There's page click. Then is the create a Facebook page. Your name, most important, your name, your category. Your category, of course, is the fashion category. Name is the worldwide fashion by US fashion. Very simple and easy way to creating Facebook page. Just your lot of system, very easy system. Facebook says must be your the important logo and banner and cover photo, etc. I see the same thing is same how to example one or two page. This page is logo and banner and message, etc. Same this page is the logo and banner, logo. This is the logo banner. Very important part is the logo and banner. This is the banner and logo, banner or logo, banner or logo. Just I can see the 5 to 10 sites your site. The next setting, you have the Facebook page, messenger setting, number setting, closing shop, contact number, etc. But you heard this very systems is the Facebook make money gain. The two way, one way is the Facebook page creation and monetization. The 3 to 10 minutes videos and uploading your page. Must be requirement 10,000 follower, 10,000 follower, 10,000 followers and 6,000 6,000 hour. 6,000 hour. Here's the rules of Facebook monetization platform: 10,000 followers, 6,000 hour. And second, the marketplace Fiverr on Upwork. I can see I can see this marketplace on Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr, the lot of the I can search the www.fiverr.com. The Facebook page, business page, set up the lot of seller. You have gig the sales. Just I'm one lot of sellers is the sell your Facebook page setup, Facebook page design, Facebook page create, etc. Then is the Facebook. I will set up the Facebook business page. You have the $120. You have the $388, 318.88 who are complete. The same things, you are the 208 quarter complete, $200 per hour. This is the design is the $40. The lot of water 8,898 orders and 5 nearable 903 water is coined. I calculated the 900 sorry 902 2 into 14. This $36,000 is the sales in Facebook business page, professional page, is a cover photo, custom tab, call action, etc., etc., etc. But it's a very simple way and again to the make money on Fiverr marketplace and the Facebook business page setup, Facebook business page create, etc., etc. Minimum the $100 to $20, $100, $100 on 50, $100, 50, $150, $200 is a highly requirement the Facebook page. Lot of sellers if the sales your gig and make money on Facebook. Very simple oil Facebook page creation, Facebook page creation, very simple oil. Two type of Facebook business page create and business make money gain of online. The first time you are the how to create a Facebook business page and the uploading your videos, the for uploading your videos, the Facebook page create the monetization formula, minimum 3 minutes to 10 minutes more than your video length, and 10,000 follower and 6,000 hour, 6,000 hour you have this monetization, Facebook rules and regulation monetization platform. The second income is a marketplace and the Fiverr and Upwork, Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr is very simple and the trustable site is a make money gain. Your Facebook business page setup, create, etc., etc. Charges. Then you have a lot of top rated seller. You have the sales of Facebook page and very simple oil Facebook page creation. How to 5 to 10 minutes is complete total Facebook page creation and setup, etc., etc. Just Facebook menu bar, just Facebook menu bar. You have this page and create a Facebook page. This name of Facebook page, Facebook page category must be important. Is category description is very important. The create page is a logo uploading and banner, etc., etc. Thank you very much, my friends. You have the trying in the make money of Facebook, how to earn money from Facebook in 2022. The first time Facebook monetization from you create the Facebook page and video uploading, the monetization system and rules on Facebook, 3 minutes to minimum 3 minutes to 10 minutes more than that than your videos. But the monetization rules is the 10,000 follower, 6,000, 10,000 followers, 6,000 hours. And second marketplace, in marketplace they make money. The first time Fiverr and Upwork, but I see the Fiverr, a lot of seller use the Facebook page setup, etc., etc. Thank you very much. Best of luck, my friends. Best of luck, my audience. Thank you very much. You have this the Facebook page creation and make money gain is the online, a lot of make money gain. Your any skill, one skill you have this the development your skill, one skill you are change your life. A lot of make money in the gain of online market, online and online. Same thing is our marketplace and other out of marketplace. Then there's a lot of sites is that make money gain, Facebook page creation and video uploading, etc., etc. Thank you very much. Best of luck, my old friend.